alligator snapping with a grin. B is for bear with a big fuzzy chin. C is for cat, purring all day. D is for dog who loves to play. E is for elephant stomping down the street. F is for frog with bouncy little feet. G is for giraffe stretching up high. H is for hippo splashing nearby. Let's go marching A to Z. Animals for you and me. Clap your hands and stomp along. Join the zoo parade in song. I is for iguana soaking up the sun. J is for jaguar ready to run. K is for kangaroo hop hop hop. L is for lion king on top. M is for monkey swinging in the trees. N is for newt crawling by with ease. O is for owl who stays up late. P is for penguin waddling great. Let's go marching A to Z. Animals for you and me. Jump and twirl and shout hooray. It's the alphabet animal way. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rabbit, bouncing all around. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger with a roar to the sky. U is for urchin, spiky in the sea. V is for vulture in the tree. W is for whale, splashing with flair. X is for x-ray fish, swimming somewhere. Y is for yak with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra, on safari they float. One last time from A to Z. Sing with us so joyfully. Animals, big and small today, make learning letters the wildest way. Thanks for singing with us on Little Animal Melodies. We met animals from A to Z. Wasn't that wild and fun? See you next time, Animal Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more adventures.